Meaning of extrinsic.
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 Extrinsic. Extrinsic refers to something that comes from the outside rather than being inherent or innate to an object or a person. It is commonly used to describe external factors that influence behavior or motivation, such as rewards and punishments. Extrinsic factors can have a significant impact on performance and can be effective in encouraging certain behaviors, but they may also lead to a dependency on external rewards or a decrease in intrinsic motivation. Ultimately, the effects of extrinsic factors depend on a variety of individual and situational factors.